Woo! Yo, why are you such a bitch, Topher?
Go. Get out of my face, man. Remember all the groceries and shit? Whoa, that's cool.
Oh yeah. This is perfect. Oh! I mean, I almost just slipped on a rock, but I don't really care.
That was their last time.
This is sweet.
Scare him out. Hey, dude. Bye,
dude. Bet you guys can't guess what we're about to do. Just got back from the river. We got homeboy down there. Homeboy's on the bed. Topher didn't bring a camera, so he's using all of our SD cards. Zach's computer's about to blow up. What are you even doing, dude?
Funniest fucking Snapchat.
Hey, don't fall.
You're such a dick.
Oh my God.
Made the stuff that smoothies.
Is it not done?
Damn it, man.
I'm a happy man.
This is dank. This was the move. Yep. That car's a dick.
Oh boy.
Yo, how does that even happen? Do you not know how to get off a chair?
Think of how much character you just built.
That was funny as fuck.
Oh my knee.
So I just got done editing yesterday's video from the river, and if you're interested in seeing more of what my friends and I do on a day-to-day basis, follow us on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description, and until then, I'll see you next video.
So crass, no class, like you walking the wrong path. I condone prescription drugs and driving off in the bad lane.